In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Microsoft Office files into iCloud Drive using Microsoft Word on your iPhone. This simple process can help you ensure that your important documents are securely backed up and accessible across all your Apple devices. We'll be focusing here on Microsoft Word, but these steps generally apply to other Office apps on your iPhone as well. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft Word on your iPhone. If you don't have it installed yet, it's available in the App Store and you can download it for free, though some features might require a Microsoft 365 subscription. Once you're in the app, you have the option to either start fresh with a new document or go ahead and open an existing one. If you're opening an existing document, just tap on the document you want to work with. Now, with your document open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see three dots. This is the More Options menu. Go ahead and tap on those dots. It might not stand out at first, but this is where you'll find a lot of useful tools and settings that can enhance your Office experience on mobile. Within this menu, you're going to choose Save a Copy. This feature allows you to save the current document as a separate file in the location of your choice. Here comes the crucial part, selecting where to save your file. As iCloud Drive is such a convenient tool for Apple users, you'll want to select this as your target for saving the document. In the options you see, tap on Save to Files. This will take you to a screen giving you various save locations. Browse through these and select iCloud Drive. This service not only synchronizes your files across your Apple devices, but also keeps them safe and accessible anywhere you have an internet connection. Once inside iCloud Drive, you can navigate through your folders. It's a good idea to choose a specific folder where you can keep your Word documents organized. If you already have a folder set up, feel free to select it. Otherwise, you can create a new folder on the spot. Keep in mind that well-organized folders can save you a lot of time in the future, so think about how you want to structure your files before proceeding. Finally, when you're all set with your folder, just tap the Save button. And that's it, your file is now saved in iCloud Drive. You've ensured that your document is easily available and backed up. This easy but effective method can really streamline your workflow and secure your documents with Apple's robust cloud infrastructure. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps you keep your digital life in order. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.